Social media. This is social media right here. Right? You can love it or you can hate it. I don't really care how you feel about social media. That's not the point here. Facebook is a devil. Facebook is a saint. They connected the world. They destroyed the world. These viewpoints are all arbitrary and insignificant. The reality is that they have more attention than anybody else on the planet. You got to look at the numbers. If you want to really grow in business, if you want to really take advantage of opportunities, you got to understand what the reality is. No matter how much they get publicly vilified and attacked, this company keeps on growing. And by growing, I mean grabbing more attention. And they keep on expanding and expanding and expanding. And not only do they expand, they acquire other companies. Along the way, they acquired Instagram. Instagram took off from 100 million users to 1 billion users in a matter of like a couple of years. Incredible growth and expansion. They have everybody that you could possibly ever need to bring into your funnels. So your job becomes to understand social media and these platforms so you can actually utilize them to bring people into your funnels, into your platforms, into your places where you can build a customer journey. And it's quite simple. If you look at the logic of the whole process, social media is the top of that funnel. These platforms becomes the middle of your funnel. And then over here we have something quite beautiful that happens. And that something is called money. And until you don't create this process over here, you're not gonna go very far. And you have to understand that there's a technology that works on it. Let me tell you one thing. When it comes to advertising on social media, 95% of people that invest money on social media marketing fail. And the reason that they fail is not because social media doesn't work. The reason that they fail is because social media has to have a strategy. You don't go randomly posting and promoting things thinking that that attention is going to turn into income. You have to create a roadmap. One of the greatest things that I learned from my dad as my mentor over the years is that you don't win a war with a single battle. You win a war with a strategy. And the way that we conquer the world of social media is with a strategy.